example, we talk about how to use the if statement with case number one, if else. But this case, if I have two conditions, true or false. But what about if I have three conditions or more than two conditions? For example, if the student get mark greater than 90 or greater than or equal 95 or greater than or equal 60 and so on. In this case, I'll use elif and the last thing it will else. So here I'll add, for example, instead of I did mark instead of n1, okay, mark, okay. Here, for example, elif, and write a second condition, mark, for example, greater than or equal 95, and column. Then add the following message, print, for example, here instead of here and adding a plus, and here write a, for example. Now I need just like this example. Look now, like this example here. I'll add 80, the grade here B. For example, I'll add 90, it will A. 96 or 95, for example, it will be A plus, and so on. So I have more than two branches, okay, 1, 2, 3 or 4 and so on. So I have to use this case. Okay, A plus A, next one, elif, and right here mark greater than or equal, for example, 85, and column, then press enter, and right here print, and between double quotation write B plus, for example, and so on to complete the example.